Hey everybody, so I've been cleaning up some stuff on payroll for the ACA, and I've encountered a pretty common problem that everybody's going to need to sort of dive in and fix here. The issue is there's a specific way that we need to terminate employees, and it's important because it impacts the filing for the ACA and a bunch of other stuff as well. So when you terminate an employee, I'm just going to show you an example here. You have to do that through this HR page here. So if you go to the HR page and then you click on a tab called Status Change, they want you to indicate that the employee has been terminated in this area here. So I'm going to go back to the employee. So this employee is an example of a problem employee. Somebody basically just went in here and selected terminated and then added the date here. Seems like that's a very common sense sort of thing to do, but it's actually wrong. So you never want to change anything on this page. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to reset this. I'm going to write down his date of employment, and this is what I want you guys to do when I ask you to fix these things. So I'm going to write down 10/01/2017, assuming that's the date he was terminated. And now I'm going to go back and I'm going to change this to active, and I'm just going to wipe this out. And then I'm going to click save. So what I'm doing is I'm just bringing it back to normal, which is how you have to fix this issue. Now I'm going to go to the HR page. It'll bring up the same employee. I'm going to click add new because I'm adding a new record. And I'm going to change the date to that date of termination, which was 10/01/2017. I don't really know what the reason is, so I'm not going to select one. His old status was active. His new status is terminated. And I'm going to click save. And you'll see that there's a little message here saying that saved. If I go back to the employee now, you'll see that the employee is terminated. And again, this is just really important that we handle it this way because unless you do that, the system doesn't see it as a terminated employee, and it will create all sorts of issues for us everywhere else. Okay, thank you.